Salam, everyone. Welcome back to Amharic with Dinku. Today, we're diving into lesson 2.2 talking about hobbies and time in Amharic, where you'll learn how to talk about hobbies, make plans, and tell time in Amharic. Whether you're chatting with friends or arranging a meetup, this lesson will boost your confidence. Let's get started. First, let's talk about hobbies. In Amharic, you'll use phrases like
እወዳለሁ
I like,
አልወድም
I don't like. For example, I like soccer.
እግር ኳስ እወዳለሁ
Now, pause and comment. What's your favorite hobby in Amharic? In Amharic, verbs often come at the end of sentences. For example, I play football.
እግር ኳስ እጫወታለሁ
Notice the verb
እጫወታለሁ
play at the end. This structure is key for clear communication. Next, let's learn to tell time. Key phrases. What time is it?
ስንት ሰዓት ነው
For example, it's 3 o'clock.
3 ሰዓት ነው
Practice with a friend. Ask them to meet for coffee using Amharic. Do you have time tomorrow?
ነገ ጊዜ አለህ
Yes.
አዎ
Can we watch a movie?
ፊልም ልናይ እንችላለን
Did you catch the verb
እንችላለን
can we? Verbs like this make your Amharic sound natural. Let's test your knowledge. Here's a quick quiz. Pause the video, write your answers in the comments, and I'll reveal the correct answers at the end. 1. How do you say I like music in Amharic?
ሙዚቃ እወዳለሁ ሙዚቃ አልወድም ሙዚቃ እጫወታለሁ ሙዚቃ አልጫወትም
2. What does
4 ሰዓት ነው
mean? It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. Let's recap what we've learned. Talking about hobbies. Use
እወዳለሁ
I like and
አልወድም
I don't like. Telling time.
ስንት ሰዓት ነው
What time is it? Making plans.
4 ሰዓት እንገናኝ
Let's meet at 4. Homework. Practice these phrases with a friend or family member. Write a short conversation in the comments. And that's a wrap. You've learned how to talk about hobbies, tell time, and make plans in Amharic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more lessons. See you next time.
መልካም ጊዜ